Getting started with the new AML program is easy. Simply click the New AML Program Manual button, and you'll be prompted to give the AML Program Manual a name, select the country, industry group, and industry, and then click the Create and Proceed button. The AML Program Manual and risk assessment process has been specifically tailored to anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing laws in different jurisdictions and over 30 different financial and non-financial industry sectors to ensure that this is relevant to your business. Once this is completed, you'll be directed to the main assessment process, which has 6 easy-to-complete steps, including company information, money laundering and terrorism financing risk assessment, Anti-Money Laundering Program Manual, Customer Due Diligence Standards, Appendices containing a glossary of key terms and reference documents, and finally, a step to review, edit, and publish the AML program. The navigation bar will guide you through each of these steps, and you'll be able to track how far through you are at any given point. There are also helpful tooltips which provide context on the type of information that is expected to be provided in each field.